Hey guys, welcome to Tector's tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to automate CG dropshipping orders complete guide. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're actually not yet familiar with Shopify in here, since we're going to use this one, just a quick overview onto this platform talking about the connection between Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. This is established through the CJ Dropshipping app. So these can be integrated into Shopify online store. So these integration will allow users to select products from CJ Dropping's extensive catalog and add them directly to their Shopify store listing. So this automation has several essential aspects of the e-commerce process, such as order fulfillment and shipping. So when customers place for this CJ Dropshipping products on the Shopify store, the integration ensures that these orders are seamlessly processed by CJ Dropshipping. So it maintains accurate inventory levels on the Shopify store to prevent stock-related issues, and overall, this connection simplifies the dropshipping process, making it easier for entrepreneurs to manage their online stores effectively and efficiently. And for you to be able to get started, you'll just need to start here onto Shopify. If you don't have an account yet, just simply click onto start free trial in here so that you could sign up for an account. But if you have an account already, just simply click onto login. So signing up and logging in is just easy. Type in your email and password so that you'll get redirected onto the dashboard. Now, as you can see, I have an account already. We'll just have to click onto an account in here so that we'll get redirected. Now, it will ask you also to do this security settings, but we could do this next time. Now, to get started, once you're already logged in and you're already onto your Shopify account or store, we'll just have to see this dashboard in here. So if you're starting out just like me, there's actually a setup guide in here or to get your store up and running. So you'll just need to follow this onto adding your first product, adding a custom domain, customizing your online store, creating a professional logo, and naming your store. Here onto the left side, you have the home, orders, products, customers, contents, analytics, marketing, discounts, the sales channels, which is online store and point of sales, the apps if you want to add some apps. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this further later, and the settings as well. So there's a search bar in here, and also since this is just for a free trial, we're gonna go ahead and try to see the different plans that it offers. So we'll click on to select a plan in here. And these are the different plans that Shopify offers. So the most popular is a basic. Actually, this is everything you need to sell online, ship products, process payments, and the basics to sell in person, the Shopify or level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts, and the advanced, which is to get the best of Shopify with advanced features and the lowest transaction fees. So as of the moment right now, there's a discount. You could choose whichever you want, and this is actually just for $1. So you could just choose which one, and here onto the bottom part, you could see the different features that it offers. So as you can see, we have retail also in here and many more. So just choose which plan you want to do, and there's also this guide in here onto which plans above. This includes all of this feature onto all the plans in here. Now going back in here, for us to be able to get started onto connecting the CG dropshipping, you'll head here onto the apps. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto apps in here, or click onto add apps in here, and then you could get redirected here onto these different apps or the different ones that are suggested. But we're gonna go ahead and head onto the App Store, click onto the Shopify App Store in here onto the bottom part, so that we'll get redirected onto its main page of the Shopify App Store. So you could see in here the popular stores that you might like and many more. And for us to be able to find this easily, we're gonna go utilize the search bar in here. So here onto the upper part, you should type in here CJ Dropshipping. So type in like that, click onto enter, and we should get redirected onto another page. So as you can see, there are a lot of things that you could choose for the CJ dropshipping. So these are all its results. So there are a lot of things in here. Actually, some of this might work just the same, but let's just try to search for something in here that might be really working so that it would be really seamless. Now, actually, I tried to read it again in here and actually made this phrase in here no space, so just like this. So I'll just have to search for this one, this specific one with a 4.9 rating. Let's just have to click onto that to check onto this one further. Now as you can see, this is a specific app that we're gonna install. So this is free and additional charges may apply, but this is just free for starting. So there's actually a overview here onto its right side, and these are the highlights on it. So this is popular with business, based on the Philippines, and this is also built for businesses that works with Dawn. So this is the current theme name, which is Dawn. And as you can see, this is its details. So product sourcing and auto listing feature, convenient and fast order fulfillment and delivery. So trending products recommendation with CJ's big data powered system, sales promotion under the auspice of marketing tools, access to a professional agent with 24/7 online support, a variety of products of factory price prepared to be listed to your store, products and packaging, customization with dropshipping service and convenient order syncing fulfillment service, efficient, loyal or local warehouse delivery service, general delivery type of 2 to 3 days. Now, as you can see here onto the bottom part, these are actually the different things that it offers or the features. This is also about this app. There are a lot of languages that it offers in its category. And first, to be able to proceed, we're just gonna go ahead and try to install this. Let's click onto install, and then we'll get redirected back again onto our Shopify store. Now, as you can see in here, we'll just have to authorize this since this app needs to access customer and store information and edit customer and store information. So you should be agreeing to share personal information with this app, view the developer's privacy policy in here before installing, and then we're just gonna go ahead and proceed with install app here onto the upper part. And then right after, you should be able to see the screen or you'll get redirected in here so that it will authorize this. So we'll just have to click onto this read and agree to the store authorization agreement and then log in and authorize. You'll just have to wait for this one to be processed so that you'll get redirected back again to your Shopify store. And once you're already here onto the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, we'll just head back here onto the store here onto Shopify, here onto your main store. Let's just head back here. And then once you're already back here onto your store, you'll just have to click here onto the settings. Here onto the settings, you'll just need to scroll down in here until you find the apps and sales channel. Just simply click onto that and you should be able to see the CJ Dropshipping Match Faster in here. And if you click onto that one, you should be able to see about this app and many more. So you could view in Shopify App Store in this one, write a review, or open this app immediately in here. And then right after, so since we have authorized already, if you don't have products in your store already, you could just gonna follow this guide in here so that you should be able to do this. You could connect them to CJ, just click onto OK in here. And then there would be a video on you or a guide. Now you'll just have to click onto this one in here, list now. And then right after, you'll get redirected onto another page in here. So onto this page, you should be able to see the different categories to choose from. So for example, we're gonna go ahead and move in this category, which is computer and office. And in here, we should be able to choose a product. So we could try to choose this one out in here, the computer gaming mouse. We'll just have to click on to connect in here. And right after that, you should be able to get it connected onto your Shopify account. So as you can see, since we've authorized it earlier, we could see our store already in here. You'll just have to sync it so that you could see it onto your Shopify store or to automate it. And that's just basically it onto automating CJ Dropshipping onto Shopify. If you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you until our next video.